Welcome to Inlingua Lesson 1. Dossier A, it means file 1. Bienvenue, which means welcome. So guys, we are starting this lesson and the lesson is separated in 3 parts. So the first one here you can see presentation. Second one is donner son âge et sa nationalité. Third one is présenter une personne à d'autres. So guys, I have brought some lesson plan for you and link is attached and accordingly we will be going. So as we are starting this book for the beginners, so we will start from alphabet and greetings. Alphabets and greeting. So let's start with French alphabet. So these are French alphabets on your screen. L'alphabet, you can repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, E, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So on your screen guys, green color is representing these are easy to pronounce. Blue is representing same as English and red where you need to work hard. Apart from that, you need to give very special attention to R and U. Fine. So these are French alphabets. Now we'll be going for some greetings for French language. But before that, let's have a look what we have to do here. So asking name, right? Okay. So greetings and asking name. So very easy guys. Greetings in French. Why I'm doing everything from Google? Because this is the easiest way to make your study, make your learning very easy, right? So now we'll have a look for some greetings here. So okay. So on your screen now, bonjour, good morning, or hello. So guys, this is formal greeting. Always remember this is formal and you can use even late night in France. Bonjour, which means hello or good morning. Then bonsoir, good evening. Then we have bonne nuit, which means good night. And we have one more bon après-midi. So bonjour, bonsoir, bon après-midi, bonne nuit. Alright. So these are the 4 basic greetings I have covered in this lesson. But greetings in detail I will be covering in next video. Because here we just need to work on basic and then move forward. So greetings alphabet done and greeting light introduction done. Now asking name. So in order to ask someone's name guys, we have a work in French language which is known as appeler. Appeler, which means to call, right? And remember guys, first of all we will have a look to some grammar and then we will go through this text so that you can understand in the best possible way. So there is a verb which is called appeler. Appeler means to call in French. For example, in English we say my name is, but on the other hand in French we say appelle. It means I call myself, right? To call oneself. So the conjugation part is like this. Wait. Yes, here. Je m'appelle, my name is, or I call myself. Tu t'appelles, your name is. Il s'appelle, elle s'appelle, his name is. Nous nous appelons, we call ourselves or our name is. Vous vous appelez, you call yourself or your name is. Then il s'appelle, fine. So it's mean guys, you will just put your name here. For example, je m'appelle. If I have to say, I will say je m'appelle Inzamam. My name is Inzamam. Got it? So like this you will be learning all the things, and with the passing of time I will be showing more and more verbs and conjugation in order to facilitate your learning, right? And apart from that, what you are seeing on the right side, these are French verbs, sorry, left side. So je means I, these are subject pronouns which we will discuss in other lesson. Tu means you, informally. Il means he. There is one more L which means she. So I'm showing you pronouns in French now. A bit introduction for everything I will keep giving you, and later we will discuss everything very deeply, right? So for example, you can see here je, which means I. Let me open it so that if you are using mobile, it could facilitate you as well. Je means I, tu means you, singular and informal. Il means he, elle means she, o means one we, informally or neutral form. Nous means we, formal. Vous means you or you people as well. Il means they, elle means they for feminine. Il, masculine plural, and elle, feminine plural. Right? So this is how we pronounce verbs and conjugation. Now guys, we are going for book here, and for the first lesson it's quite blur. I truly understand your concern, but we are left with this option only. So we will be going through this, right? And then from the next lesson you will have very clear views. For any notes you can go to my website Multilingual Banega India. For any grammar notes, any French language notes, you can have it. For French language meets as well, if you want to learn any language or French language, there are several groups we are running where we do practice every weekend. So first here guys, we can have a look. Bonsoir. You can see here, je m'appelle Paul Dupont. Comment vous appelez-vous? So I am writing here bonsoir, which means good evening. Good evening. Bienvenue means welcome. Je m'appelle Paul. As I told you, verb. Je m'appelle. My name is Paul, or I myself is Paul. I call myself Paul. Paul Dupont. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? I am writing here on your screen, guys. And always remember, in French language, there is something called liaison. If generally any word is ending with consonant, like here vous, and next word is starting with a vowel, like here a, so it will become one word. So comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? So appeler means to call. So how do you call yourself, or what's your name, right? So answer came here. Ashante Paul, je m'appelle Caroline Meunier. So Ashante, which means nice to meet you. Double E is there with one accent, and accent we will discuss later as well. It means nice to meet you. Fine. Now coming downwards again. Bonsoir, je m'appelle Joanna Dupont. Ashante, my name is Joanna Dupont. Nice to meet you. Then here, pardon, peux-tu répéter ton prénom? Peux-tu répéter? Pardon means pardon. Peu means can. Tu means you. So can you répéter? Répéter means to repeat. So it means repeat ton prénom. Ton means your. Prénom means first name, guys. It means your original name. So prénom, can you repeat your first name or original name? First name. Then here we, bien sûr, Joanna s'appelle. So guys, appelle is a verb, appeler, which means to spell. It's not apply, it's apply, which means to spell. I hope you will remember everything. Fine. Now we are moving for next side here. And after this, I will tell you some different, how do we communicate formally, informally, and greeting as well. Now, bonsoir, mon nom est Paul Dupont. My name is Paul Dupont. Quel est votre nom? So this is another way of asking question, asking someone's name and replying. But always remember, je m'appelle is the perfect one. So mon nom, my name is Paul Dupont. Quel means what? Quel means what? So what is your name? So je m'appelle Christian Meunier. Enchanté Paul. Enchanté Christian. Now for the next part we will be going salut moi. Salut means guys hi. Hi and bye as well. Moi means me. Salut means hi informally if you are meeting a friend. or someone with whom you are very close. So salut, which means hi or bye. So here in the sense salut, hi. Moi c'est Christian. Comment t'appelles-tu? If you remember the appeler word which I told you, it is coming from there only. If you will see here, comment t'appelles-tu? It is just interrogative form here. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment t'appelles-tu? You can see here, right? Now, je m'appelle Max. Paul A. Mon père. Mon means my, père means father. Everything we will discuss. What is mon here? How do you pronounce family member's name in French? Then here, au revoir. Au revoir means bye. This is another greeting. Au revoir means bye. Christian. Au revoir, Caroline. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée means have a good evening time. Bonsoir, which means good. Bonsoir means good evening time. Right? Au revoir, Paul. Au revoir, Joanna. Salut, Max. So salut Max, bye Max, right? Now we are going for this lesson. We have some more grammar left, and after this we will be doing lecture 1.2. Then I will explain you lecture 1.3, and accordingly we will start doing these things like écoute and exercise pratique and then speaking practice. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will be coming with each and every grammar aspect, all the grammar. I will explain you every meaning, all verbs. I will explain you whatever problems you are facing. You just need to write in comment section. Apart from that, if you are facing any issues in terms of grammar, you can go to our social media, Multilingual Banega India. This is my website. You can come here, you can come downwards. There is one option, Learn French. You can click here, and so many learnings you have here, like French grammar website post, all the grammars mentioned, essay for Delft, Junior Delft, everything is there. Plus, if you want any preparation class, we do offer as well. For example, you can see here French preparation class. These classes we are running and at the most affordable price. Doesn't matter which country you belong to, but this is the most affordable. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of your parents. Learning is earning and sharing is caring. Multilingual Banega India.